Good evening, everyone. Today I am here to take you through the roadmap which we are going to follow in this course. सबको पहले very good evening once again, and thanks to everyone to take out time from their busy schedule actually and go through our video. At Data Readers, what we are basically aiming at Data Readers, we are basically aiming to provide you quality content in technological subjects and put you ahead in the race of placements. But sometimes, due to the expensiveness of the course, we are often left behind, and we cannot cope up with others who are actually getting ahead of us because of various kind of extra money or other type of resources they possess. So, thus, problem solved. We at Data Readers have brought to you some exotic courses at normal price. Means now you can enjoy the luxury of studying the expensive topics at just a nominal price. So let's go through all the perks. So we teach and promote technical subjects as I have described earlier, basic to advanced level. Matlab, when you come to us, you will be a small seat, and when you complete the course with us, you will be left out as a banyan tree. All right. So from a basic level where you are just a noob to a level where you are a pro, the journey is actually traveled by you with our help. We are the vehicle which you are going to ride to reach at that place. And obviously, whatever you are trying to learn through this process of 4 years, through this period of 4 years, this will act, this we are actually learning basically so that we get a better chance of uh, getting a placement and a better placement than our competitors or whom we actually call as school and college mates. Our knowledge of basic concepts with side by side coding. Basically, it is not only about theory and not only about coding. There will be a balance of theory so that you can get in depth of practical knowledge. There is everything which is supported by reason at Data Readers. We will be getting live workshops which are frequently held. We actually bring in the uh, domain experts who are working in various corporate companies like TCS and all, and they will come and guide you. Minor and major project. Basically, देखो system ये होगा कि every week we are going to have 3 to 4 video lectures uploaded on our portal. From there, you will be studying and writing down the doubts which you have while facing the videos. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can reach us on the doubt classes, which will be organized on every Saturday and Sunday. The other perks of the course are since this is not something which is like JE mains or advanced, instead of tests, we will have scheduled assignments on the topics which will be covered so far you have read, and you have to solve the assignments in which we will be helping you to complete. This will be done on each and every week or so. After completion of the course, you will be getting a detailed, proper analysis of your performance throughout the process through the result or the report which you will be given from us. All right. As well as you will be given assignment, a major assignment at the end of the whole course, where you will be learning about the how things are actually done in the real world. We will be also guiding you what is freelancing and other prospects which can be opened actually after you complete the course at Data Regis. So these are the 4 new courses which we are launching. One is Python, one is Java, one is HTML, CSS, JS, PHP, combo pack, then the web development, and another one is web development, but with Python and Flask. Benefits of Python course is these are the five benefits, and basically these five benefits are same for all right, all the four courses. And the most exotic thing about the whole planned course is that you will get any three courses of your choice from the list of the four courses at just rupees 699. This is really a mouth-watering offer. I think you should go for it. And at the end, we will be telling about data readers at a glance. We have already 350 plus students actually who have read or have been part of our institute. We have 10 plus courses which have been completed. We have we gave project opportunities to the students, and we have a live one-to-one session with a mechanical engineer from London recently. And the overall rating which the students gave to data readers through a survey which was conducted by our customer service team, we get a number of 4.1 out of 5, and that's really impressive. So, what you are waiting for? Please join us in the upcoming courses with your service. Thank you.